As you can see behind me, there are a few plow trucks here at the Hazle Township sheets. They've been coming in and out of the parking lot all Sunday afternoon here. They've been filling up their trucks, coming in for a bite to eat, and trying to stay warm in this bitter cold and the wind and the snow. I've been in it too, as you can see. I think I got windburn on my face, so the storm has been no joke. And speaking of seeing people outside, we really didn't see too many. Many of them were in their homes trying to stay warm and cozy, but some were out shoveling and plowing, trying to keep up with the snow. And the plow trucks here have a long night ahead of them with plenty of snow to push with no end in sight.